Hi there, angels. I won a giveaway that was being done here on YouTube, and it was for a free month of a subscription of the FACETORY. Woohoo! My package is here, and it looks like it's FACETORY.com is the subscrition company. So let's go ahead and open this up. It just got up not too long ago, so I'm a little disheveled right now, but excited to see what's in the bag. Alright, so it says just keep glowing, just keep glowing, just keep glowing. And it says, hey, starting the year, how to use the sheet mask. And then it gives some tips on things you can try. So yeah. And with this came a green tea mask, which I'm actually really interested in the green tea. That'll be nice. I'm looking forward to that one. Okay, and then this one is a pearl mask. Interesting. Then we also have a lemon, an everyday lemon mask. Lemonade. This one says brightening and no harsh chemicals. I like that. And then last but not least is a FACETORY Glow Sponge Hydration Mask. So very nice. So I have 5 masks. Oh no, excuse me, 4 masks to try out. I will go ahead and review these as I try them, and post individual videos reviewing each one of these, because I actually have never seen any of these before. So yeah, it'll be a fun little thing to try out. But a big thank you to YouTubers out there who do giveaways. I greatly appreciate the opportunity to be able to win something and try something. So yay! Let me know before if you have ever tried anything from FACETORY before, if you're familiar with the company, what you think of their products, and let me know if you use face sheet masks as part of your regiment. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, and I would say this is a review, because I'm actually very happy with the selection that I got. This will be nice, nice to work on in the coming weeks. I figure I'll do one of these a week for the next 4 weeks. Yay! My skin's gonna be so happy. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, click that bell for notifications if you would like to see more reviews and unboxings and what have you on this channel. And if you want to help me out, you can share this video. It helps my channel grow. Please share this video and have a great day. I'll see you angels in the next one. Bye bye.